In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add music recognition shortcut to your iPhone's control center, right here. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off head over to settings, then scroll down a bit and tap at Control Center, and that's where you should scroll all the way down until at More Controls you will find Music Recognition. All you have to do in order to add that shortcut to the control center is just tap at the plus sign next to it, and that will immediately move that shortcut to included controls, and that means that music recognition shortcut has been already added to the control center. We can easily check that by swiping down from the top right corner, and that's where we can find the music recognition shortcut. We can just tap on it to use that feature, and also in here we can change the order of these shortcuts simply by dragging them up or down, just like that. And that will also change the order of shortcuts at the control center. As you can see, music recognition shortcut is now located at the second position. And also, if we want to remove a shortcut from the control center, we can easily do so by hitting at a minus sign next to it and then selecting remove. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.